What's the way? Denied. Okay. Wow, 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 wow. Good evening to my dear contestants out there in Second Day Takrade. Once again, thank you for coming to join us for this quiz. We are very sorry. We had some technical hitches, but trust me, it is going to be fun this afternoon. Okay? So please stay with me. This afternoon, we are here to witness another contest of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz. This is an annual event bringing together our junior members from the junior high schools to come and share their knowledge in science. Please remember that this quiz is organized by the Premier University, the University of Science and Technology, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, in collaboration with Ghana Education Service, Desk Technologies, and Everyday Ghana Limited. We appreciate and acknowledge all our sponsors for coming on board and supporting us in diverse ways. We are truly and deeply grateful to all of you. So this 2025 quiz competition is proudly sponsored by the KNUST e-learning. You can see that I am seated here in KNUST, but you have some gallant men who are with you in Second D, transmitting me live to you, and I'm also seeing you live. Please, thank you so much to our team from e-learning. We want to say thank you to the Institute of Distance Learning in KNUST. They have always been making our journey around the country very easy and pleasurable, because they provide venues for these contests to be held. IDL, thank you once again. And to Dex Technologies, we want to say thank you, because you are the ones who provide us with all the sciences for our technology round, and we are truly grateful. Thank you for making our technology round a reality. To our media partners, that is Kesben TV, thank you. Kesben, for coming on board, for partnering with us. Your engaging broadcast and commitment to quality have significantly amplified our reach and impact. We deeply appreciate your dedicated support and collaboration. So please, this evening, permit me to use this opportunity to salute the heads of the various schools and the dedicated teachers who have burns the midnight candle in preparing our contestants for this contest. To our gallant students who are proudly representing their schools in this competition, thank you for burning the midnight oil and getting your names registered in this competition. And of course, we cannot do without our jubilant supporters. Please, a thunderous round of applause for all these people. This afternoon, I am your quiz mistress. I am Dr. Mesesia Santua Osei, a senior lecturer at the Faculty of Pharmacy at the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. Please remember, this Junior Science and Maths Quiz program is tailor-made for learners in the junior high schools to enable them exhibit their understanding of the basic principles underlying life and the physical sciences. It is expected to promote teamwork and critical thinking right from the early stages in life. I am sure all the contesting schools have prepared well and are poised and are looking forward to an exciting contest. This afternoon, we have 3 schools that are competing. Bishop Jsmq Memorial Catholic JHS. A round of applause for them, please. Thank you. Woodbridge International School, a round of applause. And Secondary Presby Basic School, a round of applause. So at this point, I would want our contestants to kindly introduce themselves. So I will start from Bishop Jsmq Memorial Catholic JHS.
My name is Wilfred Anand Ishan. I am in Form 3 at Bishop Jsmq Memorial.
Yes, so please allow the contestants, when they finish introducing school by school, that you give them a round of applause so that we can make up for some time. Thank you very much, our dear audience. Yes,
I am Stephanie Adwa Forson.
All right, please a round of applause for Bishop Jsmq. Can I have the contestants from Woodbridge International, please?
Ikela Champon, Basic 8.
Okay.
Samuel Kofi, Basic 8.
A round of applause to the contestants, please. And can we take our final school, Secondary Presby Basic School?
I'm Tioko Ofeamuako, grade 9.
I am Peace Akosia Mesa, grade 9.
Wow, a round of applause to all our contestants. Please listen to these few housekeeping rules so that we can all move in this contest. Our dear audience, I know you are very excited for this evening's contest, but kindly let's contain our jubilation so that we can have a smooth contest and finish early. My dear contestants, do not touch your microphones. Always keep the microphones on till the end of the contest. If you have any microphone problem, we have technical team on the ground to help you with that. There are buzzers in front of you. I want to sound check every school's buzzer. So please, when I mention your school, kindly please sound your buzzer so that we will know your sound. Secondary Presby Basic School. Thank you. Woodbridge International. Then Bishop Jsmq Memorial. Thank you very much. And now to the overlook of the contest. There will be 4 rounds in this contest. Round 1 will test your fundamentals in science. Round 2 will be the fastest finger, fastest brain. Round 3 will be the science and technology challenge round. And round 4 will be decoding the clues. Contestants, I will be reading the instructions at the beginning of each round. So don't worry, you will have every rule read to you at the beginning of each round. So we are about to begin with round 1, which deals with fundamentals, and these are the rules of the contest. This round will consist of biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT. If a school answers a question correctly, 3 points will be awarded. If it is incorrectly answered, it becomes a bonus available to the 2 schools to compete for. Please, the word is compete for. The score for the bonus will be 1 point. Schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations and 40 seconds to answer questions that require calculations. Each school will have a maximum of 2 attempts for their main question and 1 attempt for a bonus. So please remember, if it's your main question, and even if the time is not up, and you give 2 answers that are wrong, the question automatically will be computed for as a bonus. If you are going to compete for the bonus, kindly ring your buzzer. It is the buzzer that will determine who answers the bonus. If you fail to press the buzzer and decide to answer the question, that even if you get the question right, that bonus will not be awarded. So please keep that in mind. Thank you. And may we all have a good contest. With this, I come to question 1. Kindly listen, there's a preamble to all the schools. State 1 type of fleshy fruit and give 2 examples of the mentioned type. Bishop Eswa Memorial Catholic JHS.
Cabbage.
Yes, is that Stephanie? Okay.
Green pepper.
Bonus? Yes, Woodbridge International School.
Berry, tomato, and orange.
Oh, okay. So we asked you to give a group. You were right with the berry and with the tomato. But you said tomato and orange. Orange is not a berry. So at this point, because it's a bonus, I will not give it to anyone. Now we move to Woodbridge. Your main question. The same preamble, please. Woodbridge is the same preamble. Yes, Michael.
Fruit, coconut, and cocoa.
Please come up. Please repeat the same thing again.
Droop,
Yes.
coconut, and pawpaw.
So droop is correct for 1 point. Coconut is correct for another point, but pawpaw is not. So you'll get 2 out of 3. A round of applause, please.
Strawberries always fresh.
Second D Presby, the same preamble.
Grapes. Strawberry and raspberry.
Tieku, is that your answer?
Yes, please.
A bonus, please. Okay, so we are done with this set of questions. So the group of fruits that we have the drupe, which is peach, cherry, plum, mango, berry, tomato, grape, kiwi, eggplant, and we have the plum, apple, pear, quince, medlar. So question 2 is still a preamble to all the schools, so please pay attention. Your class was tasked to raise awareness about malaria in a community. State 1 ICT tool and how it can be used to reach a wider audience. Woodbridge International School. Yes, Samuel.
Computer.
A bonus, please.
A computer.
Posters.
Yes, Stephanie.
Posters.
The question came in 2 folds. So I will go to your main question. So the same question for Secondary Presby Basic School. Your main question.
The speaker.
Okay, can we move on to Bishop Eswa Memorial, your main question?
Microphone.
Okay, so you remember the question was in 2-fold. I said that state 1 ICT tool and how it can be used. So I was expecting maybe you say social media, maybe WhatsApp, TikTok, then you say to quickly share posters and videos. I'm looking for presentation software like PowerPoints to design educational materials. I was looking for maybe radio broadcasting. I was looking for bulk message or public address system. Then you would have explained that you will use the microphone and the speaker to go into the community. Okay. You are kindly reminded to press your buzzer before answering the bonus question. Kindly take note. So if it is your main question, do not press the buzzer. If it's the bonus question, you press your buzzer. Please, you understand me? Okay. This is also another preamble to all the schools. Please take note and give me attention. A green leaf is placed in a test tube containing ethanol heated over a water bath. To Secondary Presby Basic School, why is the ethanol used in the starch test for a leaf? Woodbridge International for a bonus.
To remove chlorophyll.
To remove chlorophyll, it is for the answer. So we move on to Bishop Eswa Memorial, your main question. What was the heating of the experiment done? Why was the heating of the experiment done over a water bath?
To evaporate the chlorophyll.
Yes, Wilfred again?
To evaporate the chlorophyll.
No, please. Any school to attend for a bonus? Okay, so the main purpose of that is that you want to make sure that ethanol, which is highly flammable, do not get in contact with naked flame. So Woodbridge International School, what is the purpose of testing a leaf for starch? Yes, Michael.
Show that photosynthesis is responsible for plant growth.
Good for 3 points. So we move on to our question 4. Please, there is also a preamble to all the schools. Calculate the following. Bishop Eswa Memorial Catholic JHS. A metal block weighing 500 Newton has a base measuring 20 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Calculate the pressure it exerts on the floor in pascals. Bishop Eswa, your main question. A bonus for Woodbridge International.
2.5 Pascal.
Wrong. Okay, the answer is
250 Pascal.
no. You see, as soon as the other bonus goes, if you don't click and they say the time is up, that question passes. So kindly take note. So the answer is 25,000 Pascal. Woodbridge International School, your main question. A piston exerts a force of 18,000 Newton. And the pressure inside the cylinder is 600,000 Pascal. What is the area of the piston in centimeters squared?
That is 3,000 Pascal.
Wrong. You have your last attempt.
33,000 meters.
Wrong. Bishop Eswa.
48,000 centimeters.
Wrong, Wilfred. The answer is 300 centimeter squared. Second D, press B. A tank exerts a pressure of 500 Pascal on the ground. If the base of the tank is a circle with radius 7 meters, what is the total weight of the tank in newtons?
Three 3,500 centimeters.
Wrong, please.
Three 3,500.
Bishop Eswa, the time wasn't up. Why did you press your buzzer? You have to wait for the time to be up before you press your buzzer. So with this, I'll buzz you out. Woodbridge, do you have any answer? Or I should move on? Okay. So the answer is 77,000 newtons. This question is for 15 seconds and is preamble to all the schools. Simplify the following mathematical expressions and substitute the values to evaluate them. Woodbridge International. Please pay attention. 45y raised to the power 5 x to the power 4 over 9x cubed y cubed. Again, 45 y raised to the power 5 x raised to the power 4 over 9x cubed y cubed.
We have 5y cubed x squared.
Did you hear the instruction? Yes, Michael.
We have 5y squared x.
Okay, wrong. Okay, so x4 over 9x cubed y cubed. If you cross the x out, you will get 5y squared and what? You get x, yes, and x. So you can clearly see that you end up with x equal to 2, y is equal to 2. I said that simplify and afterwards give the values, okay? So secondly, press B, your question. 40y raised to the power 4, x raised to the power 3 over 8s raised to the power 3, y raised to the power 3.
Y.
A bonus, please. Woodbridge International.
10.
Wrong. Okay. Good. So after simplifying, if x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 9, then the answer will be 45. So please take notes. Bishop Eswa Memorial, your main question. 21y raised to the power 6, x to the power 4 over 7x raised to the power 3, y raised to the power 4. Please hold on. Please hold on. I think that I didn't read the full questions. So sorry. Let us go back, okay? We are starting with Woodbridge. Sorry. I didn't read the whole. I think I left some parts out. So please, all the 3 questions are out. We are starting all over. Are we okay? So 45y raised to the power 5, x raised to the power 4 over 9s cubed y cubed, where x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. Sorry. So please, our scorekeepers, that round is invalid.
$80.
Wrong.
$40.
Wrong. So the answer is 4. Second D, press B. The same equation, 40y raised to the power 4 x to the power 3 over 8x cubed y cubed, where x is 0, y is 9. X is 0, y is 9. So, second D, you answered the question after the timer bell had gone up. Unfortunately, you had it right, but the timer had gone. Please, my dear contestants, as soon as you get the answer, you have 2 attempts. Just speak it. Just speak it. If the first is wrong, you will get the second right, okay? Don't sit and wait till the bell goes. So let's go back to Bishop Jsmq Memorial. 21y raised to the power 6, x raised to the power 4, over 7x cubed, y raised to the power 4, where x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3.
Twenty-seven
it is. Yes, please, they have it. They had it before the bell went. So please, a round of applause for them. So we are taking the preamble again. The following questions are true or false. So kindly take note. These questions cannot be passed on. So when I just say your question, you just say true or false. Okay? So the first school, Secondary Presby Basic School. 30 degrees and 60 degrees are co-interior angles. True or false?
True.
False it is. Bishop Jsmq Memorial Catholic JHS. 70 degrees and 20 degrees are complementary angles. True or false?
True.
True it is for 3 points. Woodbridge International School. 110 and 70 degrees are supplementary angles. True or false?
True.
True it is for 3 points. Bishop Jsmq Memorial Catholic JHS. Animal cells have a rigid cell wall that provides structural supports like plant cells do. True or false?
False.
False it is for 3 points. Woodbridge International School. Chloroplasts are organelles found in animal cells that are responsible for photosynthesis. True or false?
False.
False it is for 3 points. Secondary Presby Basic School. Both plant and animal cells contain mitochondria, which are responsible for producing energy. True or false?
True.
True it is for 3 points. With true it is for 3 points, we come to the end of round 1. The scores will be brought to you very soon. We still want to acknowledge our sponsors. That is our KNUST for always partnering the Junior Science and Maths Quiz, Ghana Education Service, to Dex Technology, to Eridec. We appreciate and acknowledge all your support that you've given us through this contest. To our proud sponsors, the e-learning center, All our media and video coverages are being done by you. We are grateful. IDL, thank you for providing the center that we are using for our contest. To Dex Technologies, we want to say thank you for providing the sign sets for our technology round. And to Kesben TV for partnering as our media partner. Thank you. We now wait for the scores. So in no particular order, at the end of round 1, these are the scores. Bishop Eswa Memorial Catholic JHS, 9 points. Woodbridge International School, 12 points. Presby Basic School, 3 points. Thank you so much. The contest is now heating up. We are moving on to round 2. And we learned that there are some schools who are substituting. Please, which schools are substituting? Bishop Eswa, I learned you are substituting, or it's not this round? Is it this round? Is it that? So please, whoever is coming, please, who is going out? I think. Please, who is coming? Okay. So now that we are seated, you are welcome. Jacqueline, how are you? So this afternoon, we are...
Fine, please.
You are welcome, Pascaline. Thank you. Pascaline Dazi is now sitting in. So we are now moving on to our fastest brain, fastest finger round. This is one of the favorite parts of the competition I love most. So candidates, contestant, please listen to the instructions for me. Round 2 is the fastest brain, fastest finger. One question will be read out. Contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. When the contestant is ready to respond, they should press the buzzer before they attempt the question. If you answer before pressing the buzzer, you will be disqualified. Your school will be disqualified from the question. After you press the buzzer, you have just 3 seconds to answer the question. If you get the question wrong, the 2 remaining schools will still have the chance to compete to answer. Each school will have only 1 attempt to answer. A wrong answer in this round attracts a penalty of 1 point. So kindly take note. If you don't know the answer, keep quiet. If you answer and you get it wrong, I'll be from what you already have. So with this, I wish all the schools all the best. So fastest finger, round 2 of the contest. First question. The continuous movement of water on, above, and below the Earth's surface is called?
Water cycle.
The water cycle it is for 4 points. So my dear contestants, kindly take note. You are not supposed to answer the question without ringing the buzzer. If you get it right, you won't have the answer.
We can't hear.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, please.
I am saying that the school that rings the buzzer is the one that is supposed to answer. So if you answer the question without ringing your buzzer, I'm very sorry. Even though you had it right, you are not going to get the marks. So kindly take note. And if you attend that again, you may have to sit out of this round, because otherwise, you know now, somebody else would have answered. You have shot the question down. So schools, kindly take note of that. Thank you very much. So the next question. In aquaculture, a young recently hatched fish is called Woodbridge International.
Fingerling.
Wrong. It is called a fry. Question 3. Which function is used to search for a value in the leftmost column and return a corresponding value from another column?
F7.
So the time up bell went before all of you came in. It is the V lookup. What phenomena explains the whitish color of the clouds in the sky? Woodbridge International.
Condensation.
Wrong. Bishop Eswa.
Precipitation. Precipitation.
No. Wrong. The answer is scattering or my scattering. The next question. What is the magnitude of vector 5 and 2? 5 and 12, sorry, 5, 12. Vector 5, 12. 13 units is the answer. Which blood vessels experience the highest pressure? Woodbridge International.
Arteries.
Arteries, it is for 4 points. The next question. The force of attraction between molecules of different substances is called Woodbridge International.
Adhesion.
Adhesion, it is for 4 points. The next question. Ama and Akosua were given 400 Ghana cedis to share. Ama had 45 Ghana cedis more than Akosua. If Akosua's share is X, write an expression for Ama's share. Woodbridge International School.
2x plus 45 is equal to 400.
No. So the question said that Ama had 45 Ghana more than Akosua. Akosua's share was X. So if Akosua had X, it means Ama will have to get X plus 45 or 45 plus X. And that is it. With the 45 plus X, we come to the end of round 2, the fastest finger. We will go and take our scores. Such a wonderful, wow. Such a wonderful contest this has been. I still want to congratulate all the contestants for coming this far with us. So at the end of round 2, these are the results. It's in particular order. So we have Bishop Eswa Memorial Catholic JHS, 8 points. Woodbridge International School, 17 points. Secondary Presby Basic School, 3 points. A round of applause to all our contestants once again. So we are going on to round 3. There is substitution for Secondary Presby Basic School. So peace is going now for Huda to come in. Please let's welcome Huda with a round of applause. Huda Lisa, you are welcome. So, we are moving to the Science and Technology Challenge round of this contest. Kindly take note, one question will be given to all the schools. The question in this round will require contestants to perform a task. That task will be assessed. The score for this round will be 10 good points. Contestants will be given up to 10 minutes to complete this task. Remember that this round 3 is powered by this science set. This science set has been helping schools with practicality in science. So thank you so much, Des Technologies, for coming on board. So we will invite our technical team. You will be provided with a laptop with Microsoft Excel installed on it. Open the application and complete the task below. I think the task is in front of you, right? Do you have a laptop? My dear contestants, you have your laptops? So they are bringing the laptops to you. Please, technical. Please, technical team, I guess, are we good to go? Thank you very much. So, my dear contestants, you have your laptops in front of you. Please listen to the instructions carefully. You have been provided with a laptop with Microsoft Excel that has been installed on it. The work says that open the application and complete the task below. Do you have the task also?
Yes, please.
All right, thank you very much for responding. So you will look at the task. They said calculate the area and perimeter of 3 different rectangles. That is rectangle 1, W 7 centimeters, length 3 centimeters, rectangle 2, 4 centimeters, length 10 centimeters, rectangle 3, 6 centimeters, length 5 centimeters, rectangle 4, width 12 centimeters, length 2 centimeters, and rectangle 5, width 9 centimeters and length 5 centimeters. Create the formula to automatically compute the values in Excel. Then add a column showing which rectangles has the highest area. Then plot a bar graph of rectangle number as the x-axis against area and perimeter as the y-axis. So I hope you understand your task. So with this, let the task begin. Yeah, so my dear contestants, you have a minute more. You should be rounding up your work by now. It's just 1 minute more. So you should be rounding up by now. Wow. So much from you. Then afterwards, we will walk through the task, and every group will be shown what they did and their marks that were allocated. Then we will also declare the final marks for every school. Then we'll move on to for your support. Thank you. And my dear contestants, thank you. We've had an exciting technology round. So I am here to present the outcome of the assignments that our schools were given. They were given a specific task. Task 1, they were supposed to calculate perimeter and area and fill the Excel sheet. If they are able to do that, they get 5 good marks. Then they were supposed to create a column for the highest area. That one will let them score just 1 mark. Then the last task, they were supposed to plot, to create a graph, a bar graph for the charts they had, a bar graph for the data they had typed into the Excel columns. So this is the outcome. So for Bishop Eswa, they could not fill the table and calculate the perimeter and area. They were supposed to do it on the computer. So they scored 1/5. They did not create a column for the highest area, so they did not score. And they did not also create the bar graph. So their total was 1/10. We move on to Woodbridge. They were able to calculate for the area, but they did not calculate for the perimeter. I wonder why, because if you have been able to do area, why not perimeter? So they scored 3/5. They were able to create the column for the highest area, so they got 1. And they were able to plot their graph, so they scored all the 4. So they had a total of 8/10. Then, please let me finish. Let me finish so that we will do a round of applause for all the contestants. Then Secondary Presby, they did the calculations on the sheets that they were given instead of using Excel. So all the plenty calculations gave them 2 marks. They did not create a column for the area, and they were also not able to plot the graph. So in that regard, they scored 2/10. So now, a round of applause. Let us move on to the scores at the end of round 3. So in no particular order, at the end of round 3, these are the scores. So we have Bishop Eswa Memorial Catholic JHS 9 points, Woodbridge International School 25 points, and Secondary Basic School 5 points. A round of applause for all the contestants. So now we move to the last round of our contest. So now let's please a few minutes. So we move to the last round of our contest. This is round 4. Round 4. Please, this is the round that we call decoding the clues. I am going to read out a series of clues. And if you answer the question in the first clue, you get 6 points. If you answer the question in the second clue, you will get 5 points. If you answer on the third clue, it's 4 points. On the fourth and any other clue, it will be 3 points. Please remember once again, you need to press the buzzer before attempting to answer the question. Failure to press the buzzer before answering will disqualify your school from that particular question. And even if you are right, it will nullify your answer. So kindly take note. Let's all adjust ourselves, open our ears, Pay rapt attention as we begin decoding the clues. Set 1. I am unseen, yet I make things grow. When heat arrives, I seal the show. I don't break things, I make them spread. More in the heat, less when it's shed. I stretch rails, I warp the steel. In silent strength, I make things feel. When heat meets metal, secondary wrong. When heat meets metal, I am to blame. I push and pull, but earn no fame. I am why hot solids tend to expand. Call me thermal, who am I? Bishop Eswa.
Pause.
Wrong. Woodbridge International.
Conduction.
No, please. I am thermal expansion. I even gave you the last clue that call me thermal. So something must add to my name thermal. Okay, set 2. Clue 1. I change the size of a shape, but keeps its shape the same. I can make it bigger or smaller. Woodbridge International. Wrong.
Skill.
Wrong. I use a fixed point to guide the change. Bishop Eswa.
Lever.
Wrong. My change is measured by a scale factor. I am called enlargement. Who am I? Secondary press.
Pressure.
Wrong.
Pressure.
Wrong. So my last clue was I am called enlargement. So who am I? Enlargement. That is my name. Okay, set 3. I am not alive, yet I assist in every lift. I do exist. Clue 2. I don't remove the work you do, but make it feel much easier too. With rams and ropes, I show my face to shift great weight with steady grace. Levers love me, pulleys too. I change forces path and value for you. Secondary press B.
Lever.
No. I am the gain that machines provide. Less force needed, thanks to my guide. Who am I? Bishop Eswa?
Pause.
No.
Pause.
No. My answer is mechanical advantage. It gives you mechanical advantage. So let's continue. The last set in this round. I am a cycle with no wheels, yet I turn with silent deals. From finger tap to final glow, I am the journey your ideas go. You type or speak, I catch the word, then think, then show what just occurred. I have 4 steps in my ride: input, process, store, and show with pride. From data in to info out, Bishop Eswa.
Water cycle.
Wrong. Secondary Presby.
Computer.
Wrong. From data, Woodbridge International.
Information processing cycle.
Information processing cycle, it is for 3 points. So with information processing cycle, I come to the end of round 4 and the end of our contest. Congratulations to all my competing schools. While we wait for our scores, I will take this massive opportunity to thank our university, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, for supporting the Junior Science and Maths quiz until now, to Ghana Education Service for giving us this opportunity to work with the schools in Ghana, to Dex Technologies and Eride Ghana Limited. We want to say we are grateful. We appreciate all our sponsors who have come on board this year to make this journey a success. First of all, to the KNUST e-learning center, all the journeys around the media and the video coverages. I sit in Kumasi. I am moderating the quiz in Takrady. That is how wonderful technology can be. And this is aided by the e-learning center. Oscar and your team, we want to say thank you once again for all the sacrifices. To the Institute of Distance Learning of KNUST, thank you for providing the venues that we have been using for the quizzes so far. To Dex Technologies, at your end we say practical science is now practical. Thank you for making our technology round a grade 1. To Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, thank you for deciding to sponsor the awards that will be given to our winners of the competition. Your generous contributions have been the cornerstones of our success. At Multi-Credit, where customer satisfaction is their priority, their commitment shines through every aspect of their service. To Pizza Man Chicken Man, we want to say thank you so much for giving us wonderful meals. Your dedication makes sure that our bellies are always full. We are full of energy to provide something substantial for this context. Thank you. At Pizza Man, every good food lives here. To our media partners, Kesben TV, thank you for partnering with us once again. Thank you for your renewed commitment. Your commitment has led to the amplification of our reach and our impact. We are very grateful. We deeply appreciate your support and your collaboration. Please, once again, let me use this opportunity to salute the heads of the various schools and to our dedicated teachers who have spent so much time investing in these students to prepare them for the contest. We want to say thank you. To our gallant students, no matter what happens after today, we are very proud of you. Putting your chest out and saying that you will compete for your school is something that not everybody can do. We want to say thank you for coming and congratulations. To our jubilant supporters, please give us a round of applause. Thank you so much. So we are grateful. So as we wait for the scores for our decoding the clues, we will be moving on to the last round, which is round 5, which is our Nobel Prize round for this contest. Thank you very much. So we will take our scores. Wow, thank you so much. We have come to the successful end of today's contest. Round 5 will only happen at the nationals. So contestant, thank you so much. You have endured, you have tried, you have stayed with us. So at the end of the 4 rounds of the contest, these are the scores. Secondary Presbyterian Basic School, 5 points. Please, you are clapping, please clap for them. Bishop Eswa Memorial Catholic, 9 points. Woodbridge International School, 28 points. So, with 28 points, we declare Woodbridge International School as the winners of this contest. Please, a round of applause once again. Thank you for coming. To my dear contestants, you have done your best. Know that these are platforms testing you to make sure that you are built for the future. If you didn't win, you have come on national TV. Take it as a win. It's an opportunity you have gotten and you have utilized it. Thank you. See you in the next round of the contest. That will be to Woodbridge as we move on to the other levels of the competition. And please, a good evening to our cherished viewers. A good evening to our audience in Takoradi. Thank you for staying with us. God richly bless you. Bye-bye.